Wake up early, a mindful beginning to our day. Starting our day early allow us to cultivate a sense of calm, presence before the world becomes so very busy. Waking up with intention give us space for mindful practices such as meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. It helps us set a positive tone, creating a peaceful rhythm and carries through the day or all throughout the days. It embraces the quiet morning as an opportunity to connect with ourselves and practice gratitude, fostering mindfulness from the moment we wake up. So, maganda nga talaga na gumigising tayo na maaga dahil nakakapag-practice tayo ng mindfulness. So, sa paggising natin sa umaga or maaga tayong gumigising, nabibigyan natin yung sarili natin ng time para makapag-meditate, maging grateful sa araw-araw. At syempre, sabi nga nila, ang maaga ay nakakadakip daw ng mga worms. So, early birds catches the worms. So, today, I'm going to share this mindfulness practice that we need to do in waking up early. Syempre, except for those people who are mga night duty, tulog yan sila sa umaga. So, actually, patulog pa lang. Diba? Kasi time difference. So, meron ako dito, sabi dito is wake up early. So, yes, wake up early, choosing to awaken a little early in the morning, not only allows us to begin our day with mindfulness, but also extends the amount of time we are giving to enjoy our life. So, kung mag-decide ka na nga na gumising palagi ng maaga, like me, morning person, pero late naman din natutulog. So, if you decide to try waking up early, start gradually. Mag-set tayo ng alarm. We set our alarm 10 to 15 minutes earlier and ease into the change. Be kind to yourself as you adjust. To support your new habit, create a calming bedtime routine that prepares you for a restful night. O, diba? Pahinga ka agad. So, yes, upon waking, take a moment to a deep breath or breathe deeply. Tapos, alam nyo yung practice ng pagka nagdi-deep breath tayo, tapos hinuhold natin siya, and then saka natin inire-release, maganda po yung practice talaga. So, appreciate natin yung calmness ng umaga, yung quiet na surroundings natin. And set your intentions to the day with mindful heart. Ayan. So, ako, ang practice ko personally sa umaga, is pag nagbukas ako ng mga gadgets talaga, ang dami, no? So, pag nag-open ako ng gadget ko, uunahin ko muna, syempre, magpe-play tayo ng music, very calming music. Ang practice ko is, ang aking music in the morning is yung puro pagpe-praise lang, yan. So, Christian songs lang yung aking piniplay all throughout the day. And then, pagka na-feel ko yung gaan na sa pakiramdam, no? So, mag-start na tayo ng work natin kung tayo ay pang-umaga. And then, nag-shift ako from that music to a very relaxing or coffee and calm music na nakakapagbigay sa atin ng positivity in the morning. Ayan. So again, waking up early is actually a move for us, especially dun sa mga panggabi. Ayan. Pero ang pagbabago na nakakasanayan na din natin siya pag palagi natin ginagawa. And also, it will reward us. No? So, if you have a mindful na thinking, nagiging balanse yung ating life. And by this, waking up early in the morning, binibigyan natin yung sarili natin ng pagkakataon na maging calm lang yung ating pakiramdam. And always spread positivity and love and kindness. Ayan. So, yan ang aking mindfulness ngayong araw na to, ang gumising ng maaga. So, pagka pinili natin yung pagising natin ng maaga, mas maaga din tayong makakagawa ng ating mga tasks sa ating work. And also, hindi lang natin inaalaw yung magkaroon tayo ng magandang buong araw, but begin our day with mindfulness will extend us to have a very productive day and we enjoy our life. 8 in the morning here in UAE. Have a blessed day, everybody.